Are you looking to crack Instagram? Instagram is still the fastest growing social network and has enormous potential for creators and small businesses. I'm excited to announce the first of its kind course on mastering Instagram. I spent over 6 months making this course as comprehensive and as applicable as possible, regardless of whether you're just a business wanting to create a presence on Instagram or just an individual who wants to grow and monetize an audience. This course is going to help you learn the tools needed to gain sustainable growth on Instagram, not just in follower count, but also in average number of likes and consistent engagement. We're going to start from the very beginning with conceptualizing and setting up an optimized account all the way through advanced strategies that most people have never even heard of. We'll build your content strategy, set up successful habits, post your first batch of content, and then scale that content with automation. Afterwards, we'll grow your account with rotating hashtag strategies, scheduling shoutouts, cross-channel promotions, Instagram live videos, and much, much more. We'll even get into the dark side of Instagram with bots, engagement pods, and zombie accounts. There are several other Instagram courses out there with outdated or extremely surface-level ideas on how to grow your account, where all they do is walk you through the features in the app without actually doing any of the hard work. In Mastering Instagram, you'll follow along as we make an account from scratch, design its content strategy, make its logo, design its post style, and grow it all the way to 40,000 followers with a pretty insane engagement rate of 9.5%. All in front of your eyes with real followers and real engagement. It's the only course, really anywhere, that you'll actually see this much of the process of what it takes to grow an account naturally. By the end of the course, we'll even be making money with the account. It's that popular. With over 80,000 students, I know how to make an online course that works. Just look through any of the 5-star reviews to understand the commitment and the value that I give to my students. Instagram is the fastest growing social media platform. It has over 800 million active users, and it could even potentially eclipse Facebook in popularity. At the end of the day, it's where the numbers are. With a strong Instagram following, the possibilities really are virtually endless. So if you want to learn how to grow and start an Instagram account, join the course, see you inside.